First, what is data type, Nagalakshmi? What is data type? It is simple. What is data type? What is data type?
It's
Sir,
a keyword.
Tell me, somebody trying to tell. What
Sir,
is
into
value?
character,
Pardon?
into character, double, string.
They are
These
examples
are
for
called.
data types. Examples
There
for
are
data
8
types.
types.
I am asking what is data type? You are telling, okay, related concept, but you are telling examples.
Oh, okay.
Examples. Continue, Nagalakshmi. Data type. Data type is a classification. Classification of the type of data that a variable or constant means final variable, or where we use data types in our computer programming. We use data types for variables, we use data types for constants, and we use data types for methods also. Not all methods, only for method with written a value type. Another type is there, method with returns nothing. For that we use void keyword. Variable, that a variable or constant or method can hold in computer programming. This is Tendu. Okay, not Tendu, or any confusion or any objection?
No, sir, no confusion.
Okay. Now you told na different types.
Into character.
Int character. That is technical classification. Good. Int character.
Main, into character, double, string.
Observe general English versus technical data types, programming data types. Observe, Nagalakshmi, general data types, versus programming data types. General data types versus programming data types. See, general data types also we use in real life. Suppose name is there. Name is text. That is general data type. Suppose currency is there. 10,000, 20,000. That is the number. That is general data type. Observe. General data types, character, single character, yes or no, y, no.
Byte.
Next, text also general character, text. Next, number, next, number with decimal places, next, logical data, next, date type data, etc. These are general data types. In real life. Deepti. Suppose when it compares to programming, suppose Java programming, here we use, tell me Nagalakshmi, here we use for characters. Char.
Char.
Char is programming data type. Character is English, what is general. Text is general. For writing text, what you use?
Like in string.
String. For writing text, we use string. Suppose character means, observe the example, single character. Suppose Y is single character. Or 7, number, no problem. Or asterisk symbol. All these are single characters. Suppose string. Suppose I am not using programming a double quotes, single quotes, that we will discuss later. Suppose India. If you want to store this India, character data type is not suitable. Text data type, string. Next, suppose India 1, 2, 3, alphanumeric, string only. Suppose India 1, 2, 3, special characters, string only. Next, number. For storing numbers, Pendu. What are the data types for storing numbers?
Integer.
Integer data
Float.
types. Integer data types.
Yes.
Integer data types. In Java.
Float data type.
In Java. Float is different. Don't confuse. Integer data types in Java programming, Nagalakshmi. We have 4 integer data types. What are the 4 integer data types?
It's byte, short,
Byte for range we will discuss later. Byte. Next,
short,
Long.
short. Next,
int, long.
int long. And one more thing. Here 4 data types are there. All for storing numbers only. Size different. But in our Selenium testing, Deepti, most of the time we go for int. Int can be stored small number, medium number, that one large number also. For extra large numbers, you may use long. Why they created byte, short, int for same numbers? Size different. Say when Java created 1995, that time memory was matter, but nowadays memory is not matter. For storing small number also, you can use int. For storing medium number also, you can use int. Sometimes int is not sufficient. That time you can go for long. Most of the time, developers are using int. This is standard, not rule. Getting the point, Deepti, or any confusion?
No confusion, sir.
Suppose observe Deepti. Observe this point. Suppose byte A equals to 100. It can store up to what is the problem? What is the problem? Observe. Not, I think no problem. Remove all arguments. Just a minute. No issue. Observe Deepti, byte A equals to 100. Suppose I want to store 130. Observe Deepti, what happened? Remove error na?
Yes, sir.
It
Sir, I
is-
have one doubt.
Just what is your doubt?
Sir, float also integer, sir.
Already I rejected that one. You just wait. I am going to explain float. Float means number with decimal places. That is not integer.
Okay, sir.
Float means number with decimal places. 10.23 is float. N is integer.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Now tell me, Deepthi. Size. It can store minus 128 to, for example, plus 127. We are storing 130 na. It is not storing. Getting? For this one, you need to use, so you can use short, B equals to 200. You can. Short can hold. Suppose short C equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to store 10,000. 10,000 accepting. Observe 70,000. Short is not sufficient now. Ranges tomorrow I will explain. Here short is not suitable now.
Yes, sir.
Suppose here you can go for int. Next, I want int d equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, lengthy one. It is accepting. Now observe Nagalakshmi. Suppose if you calculate this one, it can write answer. Suppose A plus, B plus, C plus, D. No error. You can get correct output. Okay. Now observe. Instead of byte, if you use int, no issue. Instead of short, if you use int, no issue. Run. Now what is the difference for earlier example and this time example, Deepthi? Earlier I used short for small, byte for small number below 128, next short, next int. Now I am using int only for small number, medium number and large number. Then what is the difference? It is executing perfectly. Then what is the problem?
We have taken those short values within the range, sir. But int can hold all the values
Your description is incorrect. Nagalakshmi, what is the difference? Earlier I used short byte short int. This time I used int for all numbers. No issue. It is executing perfectly. Then what is the matter?
So, like as you explained before, it's like
Memory is the matter.
memory. No, that the
Memory.
like
Tell me, Nagalakshmi, what is your explanation? Memory is the only matter in this scenario, except anything. Observe, you are getting correct output now.
yes, sir.
But only thing is memory. Why? Suppose for storing 100, if you use int instead of byte, it occupies more memory than byte. Okay, you are storing small luggage into big room. Okay, that is the only matter. But big room can allot space for small luggage, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
No syntax error, no runtime error. So you can use int data type for int data type instead of byte short. But for long you can't replace with int. For long sometimes required. You can identify that scenario. I will show. Then you can ask one question, Charles. Why can't we use byte, short, etc. instead of int? Already I told. In 1995, 25 years back, That time memory was matter. That's why they used different sizes of integers, byte, short, int. Nowadays, we have high configured systems. Memory is not matter. So you can use unique data type for storing byte, short type values, no problem. If you use this one, calculation time also very simple, reading time also very simple. That's why nowadays most of the developers using int for storing number instead of byte, short, etc. In interviews also you can explain like this. For storing number, we are using integer data type, except some scenarios. If they ask, why can't you use byte short? Say, nowadays memory is not matter. No difference between byte and int for storing number. Size only different. Nowadays memory doesn't matter. That's why I am storing small number into int. Small luggage to large room, no problem. Nowadays, memory is not matter. That's why for uniqueness, we are using int. And calculation time also, if you use same data type, it is very easy. But for some scenarios, long required. Observe.
Sir, long means in the
You just wait.
it's for the big values, right? Sir?
Yes. Suppose.
Extra large.
Just a minute. I want to store mobile number, Deepthi. Mobile number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now observe, Deepthi, in this scenario, 10 digit value, 9 series. In this scenario, int is not sufficient now.
Yes, sir.
Int is not sufficient. You are getting error, syntax error.
Yeah.
That time you can go for long. See, means in our testing or in development, 90 to 95% we use int for storing number. Below 5% only we use long, just long. Here you need to write L. L won't be participated in calculation. Observe. Suppose if you print mobile number, it will print 10 digit value up to 6 only. No L. L is just syntax. Run up to 6 only. Here you can ask, just a minute. Here you can ask one question, Deepthi. Suppose if long data type is storing, is suitable for storing small number, medium number, large number, extra large number, then why can't you use long for all instead of int? Yes, but this is standard. Say last 20 years, since for last 20 years, most of the developers using int for storing number. For storing extra large number, then only they are following long. So 90 to 90% they are using int. If int is not suitable for any scenario, that time only they are going for long. This is the standard. Any problem, Deepthi?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
Now tell me, ask me, Charles. You are trying to ask now.
Yes, sir. You said last L is not including into the execution. Why?
Hey, this L is not part of the value. Value is this one only. L is not part of the value. You can't ask this one. Why L? That is Java syntax. Suppose if you don't write that one, it won't take now.
Oh, okay, sir.
That
Okay,
is
got it.
Java syntax. We can't ask why you are using L. The Java software developers used that one. Okay.
Yes.
This is syntax. But anyhow, no disturbance with this syntax now.
No,
No
sir.
disturbance means it won't be participated in calculations, it will use this value only. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now observe Nagalakshmi. Tendu. You are asking, you are introducing float now. Float means floating
yes.
point value. Floating point value means number with decimal places, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
For this one, in Java, we use relational. What type we use for this one? Nagalakshmi. Subtype. Relational.
Flow
Data.
double.
Just a minute. Relational data types. We have two relational data types. One is float. Another is double. Getting? One is float, another is double. In this area also, you can use float for small size decimal point values, double for large size decimal point values. Otherwise, you can follow double only. Double can store small size as well as large size. Just a minute. Float x equals to 10.234. This is floating point value. Floating point value. Just a minute. Floating point value. Here also, Charles, you need to use F. But don't ask why F. That is Java compiler, syntax rule. But that F won't be participated in calculations. Observe. X, it will print up to 234 only. No F. No F. Run 10.234. Somebody is making nice, avoid that one. Suppose double for large size. Avoid the disturbance, put mute. This is for double, large size. These two are commander relational data types, Nagalakshmi. Suppose here, instead of float, can we use double, Charles?
A double, as you said, like we can use.
You can use double. Remove this one. You can use double now.
Yes.
For storing small luggage, you can use big room, no problem. Now, only difference is memory, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Now, observe Dipti, rise query, Winberg, rise query Winberg.
Yes. Okay.
Any problem, Winberg?
No.
Now tell me, Deepti, not Deepti. Tendu, logical data is there na in our real life. Logical data.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is the
sir.
logical data in our real life? Suppose, are you going? Yes. No. This is logical data na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am asking one question in general life, real life. Are you going? Yes. No. In technical terminology, programming terminology, true or false? Suppose do you
True or
have
false.
100? Do you have 100 rupees? Yes.
Yes, sir.
No. Yes means true. No means false. See, general data, yes or no. Technical data, here we use Nagalakshmi. Boolean
But,
data type.
Boolean. Boolean data.
Sir,
Boolean data type. We have only one Boolean data type, Nagalakshmi. That is
Yeah. True or false?
Boolean. Values are true or false. Data type is
We are Boolean.
Boolean. Any problem, Tendu?
Sir, true or false is in
This is
Boolean,
general
sir,
English.
but
Don't mix this one. Remove this one first.
true or false is comes to Boolean, sir. But what is logical data?
Logical data means true or false only. Logical data means logical English term, Boolean programming term.
Okay, sir.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Boolean means that is programming terminology. Equivalent term in English, logical data. Getting?
Sir, logical data and Boolean are same, sir.
Same. This is technical term. This
Okay, sir.
is general English. Suppose here observe string.
Okay.
String is technical term. Text is
Yes,
general term.
general. Okay, sir. Okay.
Any problem?
No, sir. I understood, sir.
Next, date. For this one, we use object, Nagalakshmi. We use object. Okay. Now observe Nagalakshmi. We covered maximum data types na. Character, single character, text, number with decimal places, logical data. We covered maximum na.
Yes, sir.
Any problem, Nagalakshmi? Raise query. Next, software
No, sir.
testing point of view. Here observe why we use data types. See, data types specify. Don't confuse Tendu. Logical data,
Okay.
Boolean, both are same, but Boolean is technical term. Logical data is general English. String is
Okay, sir.
technical term. Text is general English. Okay. Data types. Specify the different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. Here one general point, Nagalakshmi. Observe you also, Deepthi. General point. Software testing point of view. Data has different variations. For covering all those variations, we use test design techniques like black box test design techniques like. What are the black box design techniques? Equivalent classes, boundary value analysis, manual testing concepts. Can you continue, Nagalakshmi? Black box test design techniques. What are the, we have several techniques. What are the important black box test design techniques?
I don't know, sir. You said now equivalent classes.
Equivalent classes, boundary value analysis. Charles, continue, Charles. Equivalent classes,
Yes, sir.
boundary value analysis. Next.
Yes, sir. Boundary, yes, sir. These two I remember, sir.
Okay.
It's
Third one,
long.
decision table
Mathematics.
testing, decision table. Fourth one, state transition. Fifth one, use case testing. Okay. We use data types to cover all possible data. Deepthi. Observe, data has three variations, Deepthi. Three variations. One is size. Size of data, Deepthi. General point. Size of data. Next, size of data. Next, type of data. Type of data. Observe Deepti, size of data. Suppose 100 is there. It is three-digit data, na? What is the
Yes, sir.
size? What is the size of this one?
3-digit data.
3-digit. Suppose India. What is the size this one?
5, sir.
5. Suppose in functionalities you can find this one. Username takes 6 to 20 digit alphabets. 6 to 20 is size. Suppose if you enter password 5 letters, then it will show error. Password must be 6 letter long, like that. 6 is size, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, type of data. Type of data means, suppose in your application, phone number object is there. Phone number object has to take numeric values. What is this numeric? Type of
Numbers,
data.
sir.
Type of data. Suppose in one form, name object is there. It takes only alphabets. Example, alphabets. Suppose password is there, that take alpha numeric. Alpha numeric. Some passwords take alpha numeric and special characters also. Special characters. This is type now.
Yes, sir.
Characters. The size of data, okay. Type of data, okay. Say, suppose in one functionality I will cover these two. Observe. Suppose my requirement is in my application form, phone number object is there. It has to take 10-digit numeric value. That is my requirement. 10-digit phone number, 10-digit numeric value. Here, my requirement is 10-digit numeric value. 10-digit is size. Numeric value is type. These two factors, okay. One more factor is there for data. In banking applications, insurance applications, e-commerce applications, e-learning applications, you can find that one. What is the one more variant? Winberg, guess, size of data, type of data, any other flavor? Tendu, do you know manual testing? Tendu?
Sir.
Type of data, okay. Size of data, okay. One more flavor is there. Just a minute. I will give example first. I will give example. Suppose in one bank, for fixed deposits, up to suppose 1 to 179 days, interest rate 5%. 179 to 365 days, interest rate 6%. Next, 1 to 2 years, 7%. 3 to 4 years, 8%. 4 to 5 years, 9%. What is this data? 1 to 2 years or 179 to 365 days. What is this data flavor, Nagalakshmi?
A range is a range
Yes,
of data.
range of data. Range of data, na?
Yes.
Suppose range of data. Suppose 180 days to 365 days. Then apply one interest rate. Like. Okay, na? Last 2 minutes. Tomorrow we will continue, Deepti. Okay. We use data types for variables and variables, constants and tals. Variables, constants and why people are not responding?
Methods, sir.
Methods. First I will show variables, how to use for variables. Tomorrow I will show remaining and we will discuss types of variables. We have two types of variables, primitive data type and non-primitive. So far we discussed primitive only. Int, char, all are primitive. String is non-primitive. Tomorrow I will explain that classification. First, observe this one. An example. Observe simple syntax for declaring data types with variables. First syntax, data type space variable name. Data type is keyword, variable name is identifier, semicolon. This is one syntax. Based on your convenience, you can use different syntaxes. This is one syntax. Next, second syntax. Data type variable name equals to value. Or odd syntax. Data type variable one name. Suppose variable one name, variable two name. You can declare multiple variables in a statement by separating with commas. Or you can declare multiple variables with initialization in a single statement. Just a minute. You remove this last comma. Last one semicolon only. Suppose variable one name equals to value, two name equals to value, three name equals to value. Observe Nagalakshmi, these four syntaxes, you can use any syntax. Getting based on your convenience. Getting
Yes, sir.
any problem?
No, sir.
See last minute example. I will show without error. Just a minute. Suppose int a, just declare variable. Later you can assign value if required. 100. Next, int b equals to 200. Declare a variable with initialization. It is also correct. Suppose declare multiple variables c comma d comma e. This is also correct. Next, later you can assign values. Suppose c equals to 10 semicolon, d equals to suppose 20. Next, e equals to some 30. Why it is showing this one? Syntax token. Semicolon, not comma, semicolon. Next, not only int, you can create char, etc. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Int CDE, F equals to 100, G equals to 200, H equals to 300. Observe. I will show one mathematical operation. If no errors, it will execute. A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus, E plus, F plus, G plus, H. Run. See, providing output means no error. Now observe Dipti. We covered all flavors now.
Yes, sir.
Based on your convenience, you can use them. Okay. This is incomplete. Tomorrow I will continue. I'm going to close the today's class. Confirm one by one. Today we discussed writing comments, modifiers, and data types. Data types incomplete. Confirm one by one. First, Winberg. Any queries regarding this today's class? After the class also, you can mail me if you find any difficulty. Any query?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Welcome, Charles.
No query. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Deepthi.
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Nagalakshmi.
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Tendu. Tendu not responding. Okay. We'll meet
Sir.
tomorrow. Same time. Thanks.
Hello.